The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 continues its legacy as the ultimate sports adventure tourer, designed to excel on paved roads and long-distance journeys. Powered by a proven 1037cc V-twin engine, the V-Strom 1050 combines comfort, performance, and advanced technology for riders who seek dependable versatility. Perfect for the long haul, the 1037cc V-twin engine produces more horsepower than ever before, retaining its strong pull in the lower RPM range, while delivering good fuel economy while complying with worldwide emissions standards. Equipped with the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, S.I.R.S, the V-Strom 1050 provides features like cruise control, a bi-directional quick shift system, and a 5-inch full-color TFT display that keeps vital information front and center. The V-Strom's instrument panel uses a 5-inch, full-color TFT LCD screen. The V-Strom 1050's TFT display was the first of its kind on a Suzuki Adventure motorcycle. LED lighting all the way around the V-Strom 1050, granting low electrical draw and excellent durability. Its clean, purposeful design and cutting-edge electronics enhance the connection between rider and machine, offering a satisfying ride whether you're navigating city streets or cruising across state lines. The fully adjustable 43mm KYB inverted front fork provides a sporty, yet plush ride in diverse conditions. Additionally, the single-shock, link-style rear suspension also features rebound damping force adjustment. With cast aluminum 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, a large touring windscreen with height adjustability, and ergonomics built for long days in the saddle, this motorcycle is ideal for commuting, sport touring, or extended adventures.